So welcome back. I'm going to talk about MBA in fashion management. It is one of those niche specialization that if you search for colleges on Google, I think you'll be hardly finding much of these schools out there, right? But still, there are a lot of students who have done their undergraduation in the field of fashion and they really want to pursue masters, then this particular video is for them. So we're going to start with an overview that MBA in fashion management. It's glamour or a serious career options, fashion सिर्फ रैंप और मॉडल्स नहीं, ये एक multi-billion dollar business है. I mean, अगर आप Shark Tank को follow करते हैं तो you see that majority of revenues coming from fashion brand, right? So what is MBA in fashion management? इसके अंदर आता है brand management. एक brand का पूरी image से लेके हर चीज, छोटे-छोटे बड़ी-बड़ी चीजें. It really matters कि वो कैसे दिखेगा, कैसे मार्केटाइज करेगा, कैसे ऑडियंस को रीच आउट करेगा. And I'm not able to recall a brand right here, but I think last year Shark Tank there was this brand which were into this fashion thing, and now they have a turnover of almost bonkers corner, right? इस साल एक episode था तो I mean, if you see, they just have a normal t-shirts. They have hardly 20-25 SKUs. But जिस तरह से present किया गया, brand management, retail strategy क्या है, हम कैसे customers तक पहुँचेंगे, luxury marketing. There are some exclusive brands like Gucci, right? तो उनकी marketing कैसे होती है, ठीक है? Supply chain कैसे रहेगा, fashion merchandising, fashion buying, ये creative plus business का combination है when it comes to MBA in fashion management. So I think मैंने बहुत आसान भाषाओं में आपको समझाया है. और fashion management is growing in 2026. We want to look good, right? अपनी videos देखती हूँ, sometimes I also feel, अरे यार, she like look at yourself, how he was dressed up. So the Gen Z, the millennials or whatnot, everybody is fashion enthusiastic. People want to look good, and that is the reason इस market में competition भी बहुत है और opportunities भी बहुत है. So India's fashion market expanding rapidly. E-commerce boom like Myntra, Jio, Nykaa, and there's so many big small brands जो छोटी-छोटी cities से start हुए हैं and have taken over. Luxury brands entering India, D2C fashion startups growing. So who should consider this MBA? जिनका creative mind चल रहा है, business interest है, right? अगर आपको खुद का future में business भी करना है, then also या फिर आपको लगता है किसी company के लिए काम करना है, but you should have creative skills. That is something which is literally needed. Interest होना चाहिए branding के अंदर और luxury के अंदर, communication skills strong होनी चाहिए, trend का awareness होना चाहिए, चल क्या रहा है industry में, right? पुराना fashion वापस आ गया, नया fashion, fast fashion or whatnot. Not ideal for only glamour seeking students expecting instant high salary. Top roles की बात करें तो fashion management and brand manager, retail manager, merchandiser, fashion buyer, luxury brand consultant, marketing manager, और आप imagine करोगे कि जो even ठीक है getting into that particular profile is a difficult task, but अगर आप पहुँचते हो कुछ साल के experience तो every brand pay hell out of amount when it comes to brand managers. So entry level job 4 से 8 होती हैं tier 2 colleges से, top institute 8 to 50. वैसे तो यहाँ पे ज़्यादातर आपको tier 2 colleges ही मिलेंगे, कोई SHIM नहीं है जो fashion management कराता है. 8 to 15 luxury brands international काफी potential है. Salary depends करती है. It comes with experience. I mean, you cannot expect an MBA can from the day one I'll be getting out of the box. So ROI analysis, MBA की फीस 8 से 20 लाख होती है depending on institution. Average salary 5 से 10 है initially. ROI moderate unless top institute, strong internship and metro city exposure. Pros, creative industry है, it's more like normal MBA जहाँ पे आप सोच रहे हो कि ठीक है sales करनी पड़ेगी या फिर मुझे targets होंगे. Whether it's finance HR, luxury plus brand exposure है, international opportunities है, and entrepreneurship score है. रिस्क की बात करें तो हम लिमिटेड हाई पेइंग रोल्स है कंपेयर टू एनालिटिक्स एंड फाइनेंस, इंडस्ट्री कॉम्पिटिटिव है, नेटवर्किंग प्लेज ह्यूज रोल एंड लोकेशन डिपेंडेंट ग्रोथ. सो फैशन मैनेजमेंट वर्सेस रेगुलर एमबीए, मुझे लगता है अगर कोई इसमें इंटरेस्ट है डेफिनेटली दे शुड गो. अगर आप किसी भी स्पेशलाइजेशन में अच्छे हो, आपके पास बहुत सारी अपॉर्चुनिटीज हैं, चूजिंग ए राइट कॉलेज आल्सो प्लेज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल. सो फॉर दैट नीचे एक प्रोफाइल एनालिसिस फॉर्म दिया है, नंबर दिया है, जल्दी से जाके फिल करो एंड आस्क योर क्वेश्चंस रिलेटेड टू कॉलेजेस. All you can do is also join our WhatsApp community for the updates which you will not be getting on our YouTube channel right here. So industry specific, niche network, creative roles, regular MBA में wider options, higher average packages, more flexibility. 1 से 3 साल में assistant manager, merchandiser, 4 से 7 साल में brand category manager, 8 साल में luxury brand head, entrepreneurs, and then much more you can do, right? Should you choose it in 2026? Yes, मुझे लगता है absolutely yes. Fashion अगर fashion में है, branding में है, ready to start with moderate salary, willing to build network, avoid it only salary focused, और इंटरेस्ट नहीं है. So final verdict, MBA in fashion management is a good niche career, creative plus business mix, not a shortcut too quick, right? Would you choose fashion MBA, salary or passion? What matters more? Let me know in the comment section below. Till then, like, share and subscribe.
I hope you liked this video. For more such videos, keep watching our channel.
And do not forget to like, share and subscribe.